SOFI update on May 19th. So we're still going higher and we hit around $8 a day. So is that the top, or are we going to see a higher move tomorrow? And based off of Elliot Wave, I would say that we have a little bit more to go. So if you look at this, we had a first wave here, we have a second wave right here. We have a third wave right here, fourth wave right here, and then currently it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, and then A, B, C, 4, and so we should see one more move higher. Of course, the fifth wave doesn't have to go all the way to the 50% retracement. It could just eclipse the top of this as well. So it could just be above $8 or above this top as well. But if you're looking at it from the other waves, you can see that a pullback, or you can see that from using the fib retracement tool, we actually hit the 50% retracement today at 799, but we could also go to 827 based off that. So anywhere from 827, and then if you do the 50% retracement just on that wave, I would be looking for anywhere from, again, about 827 to 842, and that's pretty much what I have marked here with these lines. So it could be a little bit over the top of this, or it could be all the way to between 827 and 842. That's what I'm expecting for A now. So it went a little bit further than I thought yesterday, but after that we would look for a pullback for the B wave to somewhere around 650 or so, and then anywhere for the C wave to finish up this B wave. I'm looking anywhere to fill this gap right here on 885. Looks pretty reasonable, all the way up to about $10.30, I think is the 1.61 fib. Let's go ahead and verify that. No, it's like 1043, which is interesting because that's the top of this as well. So if we do hit the 1.61 fib, which is very possible too, we could hit the very top of this. If we hit the 1.23, which is very reasonable, we could fill this gap right here. So we'll see what happens. Again, if you look back at the last ABC move, which is right here, we went up to here, we retraced 50%, and then we only went up to about 1.5, so 1.3, maybe like 1.25 of the fib retracement. And so if you do that right here, you'll see 831 to the bottom, about 1.5 is, so that's like 930 or so. So maybe we fill this gap all the way to 930, and if we hit the full retracement, like I said, we'll be at 1045. So if you are holding a swing trade, you've done really well. If you sold covered calls, then I would keep those, I would hold those, because we're gonna get a pullback here soon, and those should still be profitable. I have some covered calls I'm down on, but I'm not really worried about. You should be profitable on those. If you have a swing trade, you could sell and try to buy back lower, but I would probably just hold and wait for the C move up higher before you sell. So daily update for SOFI. It's looking great. We're extremely bullish with the yields coming down, and I personally think this is going to be short term though. I think this is going to be maybe another week or two of being pretty bullish, and then I think we're going to get another one of these kind of moves. So I wouldn't be getting comfortable here, is what I'll say. If you're getting comfortable, then you might be caught by surprise when we start doing this move again. So Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll try to make a video once we start seeing the B wave.